This is one of the electro-weld 40 kVA portable pneumatically operated spot welding machine having integrated transformer. Pneumatic cylinder is mounted at the back of this portion, and this is a current initiating push button. These over here are the spot welding electrodes, and this is hung with the help of spring balancer from top. This over here is a microcontroller. These are the two lines indicator, line 1 and line 2 indicators. This one here is FRL, that is air filter, pressure regulator and air lubricator. You can adjust the pressure with the help of this knob depending upon the job to be welded, and then you can lock the pressure so that nobody can change the pressure for a particular job. This one over here is a solenoid valve. This machine is to be connected to two lines of 3-phase, 400 volts plus minus 10%, 50 Hz, 100 amperes, one neutral and one earth to be connected to the machine on this as well as on this. Now here you can set the weld current and the weld timing for welding different jobs. You can switch on the on-off switch. Then you can program by pressing this knob for different jobs. You will find you can adjust this over here is showing the squeeze time. Then further if you go, keep 000 till you come to the welding. At the moment we are welding 6 mm plus 6 mm MS rods, so we are keeping the weld timing at 15 cycles and the heat percentage we are keeping at 54%. Then again press this enter knob till you come to the hold, keep 10 cycles, off you keep 0, impulse you keep 0. Now this timer is set for the welding. For welding you have to press this switch, and for no weld again you press second time. Now when you press, this red light will indicate that timer is on for welding. This side over here you can connect the air supply to this inlet, say 5 kg per centimeter square. For welding 6 mm plus 6 mm rods, adjust this pressure, say about 40 psi, and then you can keep the two rods to be welded between the electrodes and press this push button. You will see the welding taking place and the current cutoff will be automatic. See, this is how it is spot welded. We will show you once again the welding. Just hold the rods between the two electrodes and then press this push button for welding. Just see. See, this is how it is welded. Now this will never break. Now we will show you the weld setting for 5 mm plus 5 mm MS rods. Press this programmable button like this. Then let the squeeze time be 30 cycles. Then enter the button. Weld time, let it be 15 cycles. Energy percentage you bring down to 50%. Again enter the button. Let the whole time be 10 cycles. Off time 0, impulse 0. Now this is set for spot welding 5 mm plus 5 mm MS rods. We'll just show you how to weld. Insert the 2 rods to be welded between the 2 electrodes. Then press this push button and see the welding taking place. See, this is how it is welded, 5 mm plus 5 mm. You can weld up to 8 mm plus 8 mm rods on this 40 kVA spot welding machine. Thank you. You can also weld on this Portible pneumatic spot welding machine MS components varying from 0.5 mm thick to 2 mm thick MS as well as MS. We will show you the setting for welding 2 mm plus 1 mm thick MS components. Press this programmable knob. You will see the squeeze time will glow here. Let the squeeze time be 30 cycles. Again enter over here. Keep on entering 0, 0, 0, 0. Let the weld timing be 15 cycles. Energy you can bring down to 40% by reducing this button. See, let it be 40% energy over here. Again enter. See, the whole time let it be 10 cycles. Off time 0, impulse 0. Now this timer is set for welding the job. We will insert the job between the 2 electrodes like this, and then depress this push button for welding. See, this is how it is spot welded. Now it will never break. Similarly, you can weld up to 2 mm thick sheets of SS and MS components. This machine is normally used where the job cannot be taken to the machine. You can take the machine to the job and do the welding, because this is hung through a spring balancer from top, and this can be rotated 360 degrees all around. Thank you.